This article goes over some statements that the judge of the Vic Mignogna lawsuit made. Judge John P. Chupp, I don't know how to pronounce that, called all counsel involved in the Victor Mignogna vs. Funimation lawsuit into his courtroom and issued an order for mediation to take place on or before October 3rd. This is a quote from the judge. I have handed all counsel of record some documents that were sent to me by the sheriff's department. I want you all to be aware that this is out there if you're not aware of it. I don't know if there is any potential threats to you as lawyers or your clients, but I think you need to be aware of it. I think there is a community out there, obviously, that is interested in this case. I think it might be, this isn't a TV show. This is real life stuff. This isn't an anime cartoon or something like that, and I don't know if people can distinguish between the two. But what I'm trying to say is I think y'all may owe a duty to this community since y'all's clients are a part of it to try and get this case worked out. The writer of this article said Judge Chupp's words seemingly much more reserved than the heated attitude displayed during the TCPA hearing 12 days ago. Dallas Morning News made it seem like this judge just hated Ty Beard with a passion, man. Also, an interesting point made by the judge is brought up after counsel for Jamie Markey inquired about it being necessary for Jamie to be a part of this, as she had been dismissed. Mr. Johnson, I believe this is Jamie Markey's lawyer. Your Honor, if I may, this includes Jamie Markey. The court ruled to dismiss all of the claims against her. I just wanted to make sure that, I think she should show up because there's no guarantee you're not going to be back here in 3 months on an appeal, which is true, that's very true. There's no telling what the appellate court is going to do. I rule on stuff and sometimes they side with me and sometimes they don't. And that's just the way it goes. I don't take it personally. That's just, they may have different feelings on stuff. So while Jamie still retains that her claims have been dismissed, this mediation hearing can help her in avoiding being appealed and having be dragged into court later this year. At no single point did Judge Chupp order any of the parties to quote-unquote refrain from inciting support, which was a curious addition to the Dallas Morning News article. This is important. The tone of the judge in this hearing appeared to be that of genuine concern for all parties involved and a touching, heartfelt concern for the anime community at large. So this is what the judge ended the hearing on. But before I rule on the rest of it, y'all have the opportunity to heal the community by doing something that y'all can all agree on, as opposed to having me do something, and then y'all having to appeal it and go through all that process, and it just comes back here again. This could go on for years. I'd rather just, obviously, see the community of anime get healed and move on and do what you need to do. I think we can all agree on that. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this recountal of the transcript. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more. See ya.